Hello! Really excited about CES. Been looking forward to this conference and all the exciting technology and stuff I'm gonna see today. So stay tuned. So I arrived at the venue, and the first thing we saw was drone soccer. It was very exciting because I've never seen anything like this in my life. Essentially, real people control the drones and compete against each other. And when a drone goes into the white ring, the team controlling the drone wins a goal. It's interesting because this is a national competitive sport, and there was a team from Korea even present. So it just made me think about how tech might be used for sports and entertainment in the future. I walked around and saw a bunch of other things like the smart toilet that can have deep conversations with you in the bathroom. And next, we went to this booth that had holographic technology. I was quite interested to know how it worked. Essentially, there are small fans with LED lights that spin faster than the human eye can catch and create an illusion of 3D objects. Right there behind me is a hologram. Super cool. In the near future, I think holograms could be very popular for advertising and even entertainment like concerts. The next thing we came across was this stationary bicycle that can literally charge your phone. By cycling, you generate the energy you can use to power your phone. And I was kind of like, this can make you feel really good about exercising, so it was a cool product. Next, we went to check out some VR technology. There were so many of them, but the one that caught my attention was the immersive VR experience by this company called Ultra Leap. Essentially, in this VR world, you can use your hands to build things, and it kind of makes you feel like you've been transported to a totally different dimension and reality. It is one of my best VR experiences so far, and I also heard they might be better than some Meta VR experiences, so Mark Zuckerberg better watch out. My friend also came around and tried it, and he thought it was very cool. So we frolicked around to the Palmplug booth, which happens to be a company run by a friend of mine. The product is a multifunctional glove for receiving haptic feedback and has different applications like gaming, learning how to play musical instruments, and even physical therapy in healthcare. I tried using the glove to learn how to play the piano in this game, and it was pretty cool. The finger meant to press the piano key vibrates and changes color. And I thought this could really help me learn how to play the guitar and the piano a lot faster.
But not only do we provide you with haptic feedback, what's unique about Palmplug is we provide you with visual cues.
I love how the glove changed color and the overall design was simple. To be honest, I think this is an engineering masterpiece that has just so much potential. I was also very inspired to see a black engineer like me founding such a really cool startup. So I walked around a bit and came across this AI toy company, which I found kind of creepy. Essentially, it's a toy that can talk to you and answer your questions, and the toy spoke about 50 languages. However, the toy was not very child friendly since it looked like a robot, and I felt like something like a soft teddy bear or a Barbie doll might have been cooler. Also, the audio from the toy was not loud, so I could not hear it well. So I was done for the day, headed to my hotel, and went to the America's Got Talent show. The next day arrived, and I was ready to explore the conference once more. I tried out some VR technology very similar to the Apple Vision Pro. There was also this company called X-Real. It builds these cool VR glasses that look like normal glasses.
This is really cool.
But you'd be amazed at what it can do. You can watch movies, listen to music, connect it to your phone and computer, and so much more. They have a new model coming out soon, which I really want to buy. I ran into the food tech area at the conference and came across this graphite food plate that could essentially cook your food. Essentially, you can also charge it and use it to cook and warm your food. And I thought it would be super cool for things like camping here in Seattle. There was a tech amusement park at the venue They had a flying car simulator and this giant sphere at the center with millions of LED lights. It changed to a different visually appealing animation, and I always got excited when this cute orange emoji came up. There was a hydrogen powered slow train, which I felt was very futuristic to see, even though it was like a toy version. The whole amusement park situation right here. I'm going to go get my fortune read by an AI. So excited. To be honest, I wonder what data points they had on me to decide my fortune. Anyways, they called me a star, so I'm gonna take it. We also went to look at these TVs that looked so much like art, but were actually TVs. So it was very interesting. There was this cool car that also had a TV in it. There was just so much to see at CES, and I'm very lucky to have experienced it firsthand. And honestly, I really cannot wait to be back again next year. I really hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed my vlog and me recounting my experiences. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you at my other videos.